Hey everybody, this is James of the Soundboard team. Excited to share a brand new Soundboard feature with you. Big thanks to Dr. Mitra Ray and Brian Rose for helping facilitate this. But what we have done is we have arranged the topics on the Soundboard by a tag so that you can easily access specific groups of topics quickly. But specifically what we've done is we have arranged the Shred 10 content in such a way that you can easily stay on top of your customer notifications and your customer retention with the script that came from the Shred 10 system guide. So let me show you that now. Let's go ahead and hop to the Soundboard. And so what you see is, of course, the list of articles. Now, at the top right, I'm going to hit these three lines. This is our little menu here. And now we have a button called Topics. So let's hit Topics. And then you see we've got two at the moment, Shred 10 and Healthy Living Revolution. We will be adding more to that in the future. But for now, let's go ahead and hit the Shred 10. And what we have done is we have arranged all of the Shred 10 suggested texts in order so that you can easily, just in a few clicks, hit these and stay on top of your customer maintenance once everybody starts the shred. And so you can see here, we've got Shred 10 Day 0. This is the prep text. So let's tap this, and this is going to bring us to the place where we share the text quite easily. And so usually, you know, when we've got articles on the Soundboard, we have multiple suggested bodies of text to accompany the article. You can change it, manipulate it. Well, here we just have the one choice, and it is the recommended text from the Shred 10 guidelines. From the system guide. And so let's hit the text button, and that's going to bring up our texting app. I'm going to text it to myself here because I don't have a Shred 10 customer yet. And so then we are ready to send it. Now what you can do before you send it, if you want, is you can just drop your cursor in and drag your cursor around if you want to personalize it or add a little bit to it. Now keep in mind, don't mess with the link, because that's going to send out the prep video, but you can, add a phrase if you want to, or personalize it in any way, or you can just hit go. And so what that's going to do is send out that text and the video. Now I sent it to myself, so I'm sending it and receiving it at the same time here. But you can see now the person gets that personalized text if you chose to manipulate it at all, and the video right there, and they're ready to go. Now, when you come back to the Soundboard, all right, let's go to our topics again. Shred 10. So now we've got, you'll see, Day 1, morning text. Day 1, midday text. That's got the checklist. Day 1, evening text with a video. So I will say that in the system guide, not every single morning, daytime, and evening text has a recommended video. But for the Soundboard to work, we have to have a link. And so what I've done is I've taken a little creative liberty here, and on some of these I have made an accompanying image that you can choose to use or not use. So let's take a look at that. So Day 1, we've got our morning text. I've included the Shred 10, every journey starts with a step graphic. If you want to use that, it's easy. If you don't want to use it, I'll show you how to take it out. So again, we've got that recommended body of text. First day, I'm so excited for you. So we're going to hit the text button, and we're going to, again, pick who we're going to send it to, so our Shred customer. And if you want to have that image go out, then leave the link just like it is. If you want to remove it, then just drag your cursor over here and highlight that and delete the link, and that will prevent the image from going out with the text. But if you like it, send it, and so they get this nice looking text and image meme that goes with it. Okay, my internet's a touch slow, so it's taking a moment to render, but you get a nice looking image there. All right, so when you're on the Soundboard, a lot of these suggested texts are straight from the system guide. A few of them do ask you to personalize it. So if there is a particular text that is asking you to personalize the body of the text, so it's something like, what are you having for lunch? I'm having so and so. Then there will be a reminder there to update your specific text to your customer. And then the other thing I was going to show you is if you have several people who are shredding all together, and you all are, that you're kind of in this together and everybody's shredding as a group. If you want to send this to a group, here's how to do that. So we're going to pick our text. This one is, how's it going with eating after 6 p.m.? It's getting easier, and it's got this image again. You can use it if you want to. So let's hit text. Now let's send it to multiple people. So we're going to put, I'm going to put some coworkers in here. So when you do this, the first time you put in your group, you have to put them all in individually. We're going to send the message, all right? And then at the top there where it shows the names, you can click on the I next to that, and you see we can enter a group name at the top here. So you can name it the May Shred 10 customers. All right, so they are a group. Now keep in mind, again, if you send it to everybody, they can all see each other's numbers. So this may or may not be the ideal customer retention or customer maintenance tactic for you. But now, when you're ready to text the next day, what we can do is, so now we're on, let's say we're on day, I think that was day 3. So now we're on day 4. If we're ready to text this to a group, here is our asking them how's it going, get a good night's sleep, and then here's the image that go with it. So now when we text it, we can just type the May Shred 10 customers, and it'll go out to all of them at the same time. So pretty cool little feature there. Okay, so that is how to leverage a soundboard, take advantage of that Shred 10 content, stay on top of your customers quite easily with that specific set of content, and I hope that makes your life a little easier. Thanks.